అక్కని వాళ్ళకి చెప్పలేను నేను.
Hey, hello people. Welcome back to Raiji TV. And today's show is going to be about Narayanpet sarees. And let me show you what are the colors we have in this. And I'm going to show you open saree later. So these are the colors. This is violet and pink with all over booties. Okay, this is pink and green. It's light green color. The peacocks and flower motifs. The same motifs here. It's violet and green. Okay, let me open the saree and show you. This is the pallu. Peacocks వచ్చాయి and it has a large motifs. This is the border. Okay, and this is the blouse. It's beautiful plain blouse with a Narayanpet border. Okay, this is the color, guys. Actual color is this. Okay, this is one more color, yellow and red. It's really traditional. And it has a paitani border. Sorry, pallu. Paitani pallu వచ్చింది దీనికి. It's really beautiful. It's totally rich. The color, it has all over booties. Due to lighting, this color is a bit different on the camera. I'm going to just show you the actual color. Just wait. Yeah, this is the color. If you like it, please DM us or please visit the store. This is one more color. It's blue and pink. Has all over peacock and flower motifs వచ్చాయి. And this is the pink border. This is the pallu. You can see this is peacock and floral motifs all over. It's really beautiful. And this is one more color. It's Rama green with a light green border. Let me open this and show you. Light green వచ్చింది pallu, border kuda, and all over saree is this peacocks and flowers వచ్చాయి motifs all over. Now Narayanpet lo same unnai, but it's a plain sarees, plain with nice borders. Borders are pretty big compared to the previous sarees which I've showed you. And pallu is also so beautiful, so unique. You can just see complete gold, and this is the border. This is a plain saree, all complete plain, but it's unique in its own way. Color combinations and border వచ్చి పెద్దగా వచ్చింది. Plain yet beautiful. And this is one more color in the plain Narayanpet sarees. It's black and red combination. Who doesn't love this combination, right? Red and black. Pallu is this. Blouse?
Red.
Blouse red color. Okay, one more plain saree. Idi koncham different concept. Previous saree kante. This has a pastel color on the body. Let me show you. Okay, meanwhile I am showing you one pieces. ఒకటే పీస్ ఉంది నారాయణపేటలో. 2 ఉన్నాయి. I'm going to show you one more, and this is the all over booties. It has peacocks motifs with a green combination, green and red combination. It's a beautiful border. And one more one piece I'm going to show you. This is a really traditional color, brick color border ochindi yellow ki. It has polka dots, small dots. Okay, and the blouse is same, this color, border color. See, just now I showed you, right? This is a pastel color. You can see it's really beautiful. It has really shiny concept. Okay, this is a saree, guys, and this is a border. It's really traditional. This is actual color. This is actual color. Pastel with bright pink. Same concept. I'm going to show you one more color. It's violet and red. This is the color. It's plain with a red border. కాకపోతే క్లాత్ కొంచెం షైనీ ఉంది. It's going to give you really a rich look when you're going to wear it. Okay, and same in Narayanpet, but it's a different concept again. It's checks and the motifs. This is a pallu, paitani border, paitani pallu ochindi, blue paitani. Okay, and body వచ్చి పింక్, చెక్స్ వచ్చింది, చెక్స్ మోడల్. ఇందులో మళ్ళీ మోటివ్స్ వచ్చాయి. Okay, this is the saree. Same concept. I'm going to show you one more color. It's green and blue. Same mali concept, same ochindi, paitani pallu. Just see, so beautiful. Yes, and the body వచ్చి green, complete checks వచ్చింది with motifs, and this is the border, guys. Okay, please DM us for prices. Discounts we can't reveal here, so please DM us for the discounts.
Charan.
Okay, all right. This is it for Narayanpet, and now we'll be back in few minutes with the fancy saree collection. Stay tuned.
Get up.